Imagine looking up at the sky and knowing that there are satellites up there that can think for themselves. No humans needed.
Sounds like science fiction, right?
But it's already happening.
Around the world, powerful countries like the United States, China, and Russia are launching advanced satellites into space that use artificial intelligence to make their own decisions.
These satellites don't just float in space and take photos anymore. They can spot enemy movements, predict storms, block communications, and even fix or destroy other satellites, all without asking anyone. In 2024, China sent a satellite into orbit that can control its own tasks using AI, which means it doesn't have to wait for commands from Earth. At the same time, the US is working with private companies like SpaceX to create space drones, robots that fly in space and could be used for spying, repairs, or even attacks. This means the space above us is slowly turning into a battlefield. But instead of soldiers and guns, this new war is about data, speed, and machines that never sleep. AI in space has no emotions. It doesn't get tired, scared, or confused. It just follows orders, and it does so faster than any human ever could. But here's where it gets scary. What if something goes wrong? What if two countries send up AI satellites that don't understand each other? What if one of them makes a mistake and attacks something it shouldn't? There are no clear rules in space yet, and experts are warning that if we don't act soon, this race for space power could lead to dangerous accidents or even war. And it's not just about war. Imagine a satellite that can track everything you do from space. With AI, it could understand where people go, what they buy, even what they feel, based on patterns. That's not just powerful. That's terrifying. In the hands of the wrong government, this tech could be used to control people in ways we've never seen before. And once these satellites are up there, they're hard to stop. So the big question is, are we reaching for the stars to build a better future? Or are we building machines that could one day turn against us? Would you trust a robot in space with the power to make decisions that affect life on Earth? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more real-world sci-fi stories like this one, because this isn't just a movie idea. This is our new reality.